Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got another Asos beauty box unboxing for January, and it's their £15 beauty box. It's not a subscription. If you want it, you can see exactly the products that are inside the box on their website, and if you want it, you get it. If not, then you don't have to. You just need to create an account with ASOS as you would if you were going to buy any clothes or anything from them. You'll find a link to this down below in my description, as well as all my other offers, giveaways and discount codes and things, so you'll find it all listed down below. But yeah, this went on sale a couple of days ago. There's no particular date of the month that they bring these boxes out. They do bring them out monthly, but as soon as I find out about them, then I let you all know on Facebook, Instagram, sometimes on a community tab as well, on YouTube. So if you're not already following me on those, then you're welcome to do so, because sometimes these boxes do sell out super fast, because sometimes they are amazing. This box is a bit on the fence from reading all your comments. Some of you like it, some of you don't. I did a really short quick unboxing over on my TikTok page, same name, Diaryofabeautygeek. I wanted to do a full unboxing on YouTube because I know a lot of you watch me here and nowhere else, so yeah. So let's get into it and show you what's inside. So as always, we get a little card and it details everything about the products inside the box, so I'll go through that as we go on. But it says, new year, same you. Don't worry, we're not that cliche, but you're not going to have the same old beauty routine, because 2023's very first Asos face and body box is here. It's stuffed with skintastic treats. The best part, only A-list brands are allowed. You didn't think gifting season was over already, did ya? I can't be cool. I just can't be cool. It just comes across as cringe. Yeah, anyway, we're going to go back to beauty school basics with a simple cleanse, tone, moisturise routine. Gorgeous little pot. We've got a ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm, aka the most luxurious and gentle cleanser, perfect for tired skin. Now, this is 10 grams. So, big brand, but a little size. But as you will find with everything in this box, they are on the small size. But all the brands are quite pricey, well-known brands. So I do think actually it is a nice box. It's £15. It doesn't say how much it's worth. Pro-Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm. I haven't tried this yet. I'm sure I've got a bigger version in my ready to try sort of pile. But yeah, Naked Cleansing Balm. How does that differ from the original Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm? Why is it naked? I need to look into it. Super cleansing treatment. Then next, run Charlotte Tilbury's Glow Toner across your face to get all the niacinamide gorgeousness deep into your pores. This is a daily radiant glow solution, and there's 5 mils there. So you've got toner. For moisturiser, we got Dr. Barbara Sturm. This is a Better Be Niacinamide Serum. It's heavenly. The ultimate skincare doctor meets 2022's hottest ingredient. What's not to love? And there's 3 mils here. And even though this is teeny tiny, it comes with a little booklet full of information. A niacinamide serum. Onto the treat section. Sunday Riley's Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment is a once-a-week star, delving deep into your pores to unclog any remnants of a wild December. This is the Good Genes Glycolic and Prickly Pear Extract, and there's 5 mils there as well. After this, go in with Oskia London. This is the Renaissance Mask for a gentle exfoliation that'll leave you with brighter looking skin. This is 40 mils. So not a bad size. There. Oh, it's sealed. I'm going to keep it sealed until I'm ready to use it. But it's a brightening and resurfacing mask. And then lastly, we got an item from Erborian. This is the Skin Hero. It's the last bit of your skin prep. It's a blurring primer that will have you looking dewy and fresh, ready for your makeup routine to begin. I've tried a few of these little samples in different boxes, and I do really like it. I absolutely adore this brand. I've got quite a few different CC creams, BB creams from them, and a ginseng moisturiser, which is gorgeous, really thick and creamy. Yeah, I love this brand. It's a Korean skincare brand. Yeah. So those are all the items inside the box. As you can tell, they are super teeny tiny. You are looking at pricey brands. We've got ELEMIS, Charlotte Tilbury, Erborian, Oskia London, Dr. Barbara Sturm and Sunday Riley. So if you've never tried these items before, then maybe this is a good box for you. But then I know, comparing to other Asos beauty boxes that they've done, when you've seen quite a few full-size products in there, and then you get a box, little minis like this or little samples, it makes you think, But what do you think? What do you think of this box? Did you go for it, or did you think, nah, not for me this month, Claire? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.